order. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $10, going 4 miles, only one item.
You're probably really busy, ready for the storm.
Oh, don't remind me.
If you have your pockets, please.
Hope I don't get stabbed. Just a scribble on that line. Oh, got the next order pretty much right away. This is going to be for Victor Rico's, $8, going 5.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Oh, this order was a mistake. This smells way too good. Oh, this is torture. This one isn't that great, but let's just keep it moving. This is IHOP, $8, going 5 miles. Meet outside, it says. There you are.
Thank you very much. A little bit extra.
Oh, thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.
Drive safe.
Thanks. Actually met me outside and gave me a $5. Now that's a good order. Just got the next order. This is going to be for Angels, $9, going 4 miles. Morning.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one's going to be $8 and some change, going 2.5 miles.
Here's our order from Crystal. Have an amazing day.
Thank you. Oh boy. Top floor it is. I was trying to hold off on taking orders here because a liquor store just opened and I was hoping to get something good there. But I got this IHOP, $8, going 2 miles. I mean, that's a good order in itself, so we're gonna head over, and if it's too long of a wait, I still got the other app running.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, here we go. Shop and deliver for alcohol, $17, going 7 miles, 4 items. They do have this.
That's a good one. Do you want a bag, hun?
Oh, no.
All right, sounds good.
Finally got an order. This is Chick-fil-A, $8, going 3 miles. Thank you. Please leave the order at my front door. No need to knock. You'll be tipped through the app. And thank you for delivering today. Okay. it has slowed down, so I think I might just call it. Current time is 11:04. Current total is 72, and I have one Uber tip that I'm waiting on, so that should bring it up to like 77, plus the $5 tip that I got in cash earlier brings that up to, what is that, 83. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
There you are.
Thank you. Bye.